To boxing now, David Haye's world heavyweight title unification bout against Wladimir Klitschko will now take place on July the 2nd in Hamburg. Klitschko's manager, Bernard, confirmed the bout will be held in the 57,000 capacity Tech Arena in Germany. That's after negotiations with Adam Booth. They prefer the Hamburg ground ahead of venues in Switzerland and Ukraine.
They wanted home advantage, and we considered Germany to be their home territory because that's where they ply their trade and that's where they've spent most of their career. And now that we know that it's Hamburg in Germany on July the 2nd, and really, David doesn't care about where the fight is. All he cares about is getting to Vladimir's chin. When he first challenged for a world championship at cruiserweight, we went to Paris, to Mark Woolmake's backyard, and he knocked him out. When David challenged for the world heavyweight championship, we went to Germany, Valuev's home territory, and took the title from him. And so this is just repeat of something that he's done in the past. It doesn't faze or bother him one bit. And he's also aware, that Hamburg's so accessible from the UK that there are going to be thousands and thousands of UK fans going there as well.